You gotta do some cooking alive?
I said let him cook!
Well, basically what I'm making is I got some bacon bits right here. So remember to be careful when you're using hot items. You know, you gotta wear some mittens, all that. So I already put these in for 10 minutes. These are just regular hash browns. Just gotta flip them and then put them in for another 10 minutes. All right, there they go in. Heat maximum because you gotta stay toasty, right? And then 10 minutes again. In total, 20 minutes. And then we got bacon crumbles. And I'm pretty sure these are already cooked. We're gonna add in later. And shredded cheese. Yeah, anyway, that's what we got going on. I'm making a brand new custom recipe. Why do I feel like you're gonna burn your house down at this rate? What are you talking about, bro? I'm very careful. How are you gonna burn your house down with an oven? Like, you're actually crazy. You're talking mad crazy right now. Chat, should I put some eggs on this or not?
Said Neuterin likes burnt hash browns.
Dude, they're not gonna be burnt. We're gonna cook them up. We gotta be crispy. You guys don't know how to cook, so here's a plan. On one hash brown, we're gonna put bacon, and then on top of that, we're gonna put cheese, and then we're gonna put the other hash brown on top. So make a hash brown sandwich with bacon and cheese in the middle.
Said boy, you can't even cook. Said bro, that was hot fire.
What are you talking about? It's literally a conventional convection oven. Okay, wait, chat. So should I put eggs on it?
Cooking LOL.
Chat, should I put eggs on it?
Gens call 911.
Should eggs be on it? Just let me know. That's all I want to know. If we're putting eggs, we're gonna put scrambled eggs, not an omelet.
Said put eggs under.
Not eggs under. We gotta put eggs on top. Put salt and seasoning before eggs. Yeah, obviously, if we're gonna put eggs on it, we need salt and seasoning and all that. So you can see it's almost halfway done. 5 minutes. You don't gotta flip it this time, because I'm pretty sure the underside is cooked properly. It's just the top side is not fully cooked. So I'm just gonna. Oh, okay, that does not look that good. We might need to put it in for longer. I'm not gonna lie. The instructions just said 10 minutes. It doesn't look like it's fully cooked. I mean, it's just like I was expecting it to be brown all over. It's okay. Next step is to put bacon on top, or the bacon crumbles. So we got hash browns on top. Let me just give it a taste test real quick. Pretty good. Okay, so we got a small little nice layer of bacon on top. I think if we're gonna do eggs, I'm gonna do a different recipe. I'm not gonna do like a sandwich kind of thing. I'm gonna do like something different. So I think we got.
Said read the Quran before you eat.
Okay, so we got a good distribution of bacon on top. So next step is to put some cheese on it, mozzarella and cheddar. So I guess we're making eggs, okay? We're gonna make eggs. Okay, the trick is to make sure that the bacon doesn't fly off. So you gotta make sure, basically make it like a blanket, keeps everything like together. So we're just gonna put like a small amount of cheese on top, both sides obviously, really easy like that. You don't gotta do too much. I'm just doing this off the top of my head, by the way. Like I have no idea what the end product is gonna be. I don't even know if this is like an actual thing that exists. That's how you make stuff. You just try random stuff, and if it works, it works. So now that we got this in here, we're gonna go put it back in the oven. Looks pretty nice.
Said Bronson.
Let's do another like almost 10 minutes, but not quite 10 minutes. All right, so we got some pans right here. We're gonna make some eggs. What else do I need? Oh, obviously I need eggs. Obviously. Forgot, that's like the main ingredient here. You're gonna hang on to the cheese and bacon, because we're gonna put the cheese and bacon on top of the eggs as well. Spice it up. This is gonna be crazy eggs, all right? It's not gonna be like regular eggs. Look at this. All the weight is on the front. Tips over, bro. It's game over. GG. Yo, chat, should we put sausages on top? Chicken in here as well. I don't want to put too much meat on top. Chat, I'm not gonna lie. I love my meat, but I don't want to put too much on top. You know what I mean? Like, I don't want to put way too much meat on there. So I think we're just gonna stick with bacon. That's it.
Said you can't beat the meat allergy on it.
Can't beat. Yo.
Busting blow.
This guy's talking about beating. Okay, so we're gonna cook up some eggs real quick.
Said put some ketchup.
Nah, ketchup is disgusting, bro. Okay, maybe a little to like dip, but that's it. Very amateur. Yeah, no ketchup. Okay, so it's starting to heat up.
Said get this man to Master Chef.
Exactly, bro. That's what I'm saying. You know I stay cooking like that. Okay.
The red stars. Said. Said bro, that's barely any oil.
How much oil do you put on your eggs? What are you talking? Good amount of oil. You don't gotta put too much. Yo, you're crazy. This guy should put water on it.
Said bro, your oil is burning. Said the oil is hit.
It's not hot enough.
Said hot. Said
not yet. It's not hot enough. It's not gonna cook right away.
Said is he trying to cook an egg with the sun's heat?
Bro, you can't even tell. How are you gonna tell how hot it is? You're watching. How are you gonna tell how hot it is? You're just watching. You're not feeling. You can't feel the heat. It's not hot enough, bro. Okay, looks like the hash browns are done.
Said put your hand in IT.
Okay, this is how you crack an egg. Bro, why is it not cracking? What the heck?
Massacring a puree. Re-distract. Said hey llama fatty sabotage this man's cooking. A bell plays. Said use a knife.
I kind of messed up. Not gonna lie.
Said can you make me some too? I just woke up like 30 minutes ago.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. Usually I make better eggs. Like I can crack it better. But this time the crack was not that good. See, I told you it wasn't hot enough. I told you it wasn't hot enough. Look at it. Look at it. It's not hot enough. You guys said, oh, dude, it's hotter than the sun. It's not even cooking. It's not cooking. Yo, you guys are actually weird. Okay, now it's cooking because I turned up the heat. Okay, before that, you gotta get some pepper and stuff in here. Wait, I don't even know what it is. Okay, this time I'm gonna crack it properly. Okay, I think I cracked it properly this time. So we're gonna go for it. Oh, that was perfect. That was perfect. You guys saw it, right? That one was good. The first time I kind of fumbled it, I'm not gonna lie. But this one was nice. Obviously, you gotta put some salt on it for taste. You gotta put some chili flakes on it too. A little bit of bacon, some cheese. Okay. Scramble it. Yo, I don't know how to flip it. Some people know how to like flip it and stuff. I'm gonna try that. And it's done. That's it. That's all it took. You know, it's very simple. And this I think is cooked as well. So we're gonna take that out. Ooh, look at that. Looks beautiful. So next step, I don't really know what I want to do next. So we got eggs and we got hash browns with the bacon cheese. I think we just eat it separately, or let me figure out a way to like actually add everything together. So right now I got. Dude, that looks insane. Look at that. Let's go through all the details. What do you claim it for? Drop it? I'm not dropping it. Dude, that's only for games. That's only for games. Yeah, the cheese is fire. Should I put more? Just run through this over again one more time so you guys can understand. All you gotta do is cook 2 hash browns for 10 minutes, flip it over, and then put on bacon, cheese on top, and then cook it for another 5 minutes. It's like crispy, it's very well cooked, and the cheese melts, the bacon is cooked. And then you cook out some eggs, put cheese and bacon on top of it, but a little bit. You don't want to put too much because you already have cheese and bacon on here. Okay, but before we begin eating, we gotta get the bev. So we're gonna get some. I don't know if we have orange juice in here. Let me check. Yeah, no orange juice. The only drink I have on me is energy drink. But obviously you can't just drink that like regular. It's not how it works. All right, so obviously the first thing I gotta do is put some hot sauce on top. I literally can't eat anything without hot sauce. It's on the eggs. Just a little bit on the egg.
Said rate the food.
I haven't even eaten it yet. So this is the plate. We got some eggs with bacon and cheese and chili flakes. Hash browns with bacon and egg and cheese. Where's my ketchup? I gotta put some ketchup on here. Eggs are good.
You said you don't need ketchup.
I don't mind dipping ketchup. Dipping ketchup is okay. That's regular. That's normal. Putting ketchup on top is weird, bro. So
putting it all together in a sandwich would be awesome.
So you know that's all in one bite. Oh, that kind of fell apart. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, super crispy.
Said seeing this made me hungry. Name long spell. Said gourmet with ketchup. Said squirt some ketchup in her mouth, please eat.
Oh, I need some ketchup. You gotta eat the eggs to balance it out. Bro, I'm not gonna lie. This goes hard as a breakfast.
Said ketchup is mostly cornstarch. Name long spell. Said at 2:30 p.m.
I didn't eat breakfast. This is my first meal of the day. See, that bite got everything in it. Fire. All right, dude, that's actually really good. So overall, it is really good. The blend of potatoes with the eggs and bacon go really well. When you put ketchup and hot sauce on top, it really elevates the flavor a lot. Only problem is the bacon and cheese kind of fall off of the hash browns like very easily. It doesn't really stick, so that's an issue. I gotta work on fixing that somehow. But if you like cut it properly and make sure that everything is in one scoop, you can get everything properly. So it's not a big issue, but it is like a small little problem. That's my review, or I don't know if it's a review. I'm eating my own food, my own original recipe. Can someone check if this exists? I don't think it exists. Can someone check if this exists?
Said can you add acorns and pine cones to our next meal?
I'm eating this up right now, bro. This is actually really good.
Said make a challenge on how fast you can eat the next part within 20 seconds.
No. Yeah, you gotta enjoy it.
A bell plays. Said he ignored me.
There's not enough hot sauce, I'm not gonna lie. That's better. And if it's too spicy for you, then grow up. You're not a kid. I mean, I don't know what to call it yet. I don't know what to call it. We gotta think of a name. It's actually delicious. It's beautiful, delicious, amazing food. Shout out to myself. You need a knife to eat it properly. I'm not gonna lie. You can't cut it with a fork. So that's it for the cooking session for today.
Said do the dishes, boy.
Bro, the dishes are for after. I don't got time for that. I gotta stream. Unless you guys want to see me do the dishes.